Hey shoppers, today we have an electric grinder set. Perfect for your kitchen, perfect for the holidays coming up, cooking, gift idea, comes nicely packaged. This is how they look. This is the charging base. They nicely sit here to charge. It's great. You don't have to deal with batteries. You don't have to deal with being plugged into a wall. User manual on how to care for it, operate it. A nice little brush to clean out the grinder when things get jammed. And then this is the cord, a nice long cord to charge the base. You want to use these nice, rich, flavorful, gourmet. You can do salt, pepper,